So I am here with little Miss Sula, and Sula is going to help us do a walkthrough of the Hazel.
Oh, I'm so ready for this. Mom said I get a new ball after. It's bright here. This place is good for naps. Oh my gosh, it's a big treat room. It's a secret treat room. So many smells here. It smells new. I like big, pretty house. I like this house. This is my favorite house. Ooh, I like this. I don't really like baths. This is pretty. This looks cool. I wonder if I can take a nap here. Ooh, what's this? This is where the humans drop their food at nighttime. It's my favorite place. This is pretty. This room is mine. It smells good. This room's mine too. Oh my gosh, yeah, I like this house. Can we move here? This is also my favorite house. Doo bop bop, doo bop bop, doo bop.